Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable LE audio for your earbuds EARFUN Air Pro 4. You have to start by opening EARFUN audio application and now click on your earbuds here. After that, just scroll down and right here we have LE audio. But before we enable it, I have some information for you. Firstly, make sure that your phone supports this technology, because not all of Android phones support it. Second one, if you have iOS, I show it to you on iOS device, but it makes no sense because iOS doesn't support it. You have this option in the application, but it makes no sense to enable it. And the last one, if you use function like LDAC, aptX or game mode, also I don't recommend it to use it, because you will have some functionality conflict. After that, click on your on this LE audio, and right here we have the slider, so tap on it also, just wait a few seconds, your earbuds will reboot and you will enable it. Okay, and we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later!